Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how we can install Eclipse IDE 2022-06 on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Eclipse IDE 2022-06 is the latest version of Eclipse IDE and it is one of the popular IDE used for Java programming. If you want to start Java programming journey, then you should know how you can install Eclipse IDE. So here is how you can do it. First of all, you have to install and set up Java JDK on your Windows 11 in order to use Eclipse IDE, because I had already told you that Eclipse IDE is used for Java development. So before that, we have to install Java JDK. For that, simply open any browser and visit Oracle Java download page. Don't worry, I'll put this link in the description box. Here we have two versions, one is Java JDK 17 and another one is Java JDK 18. Java 18 is the latest version of Java SE development kit. So here we have to select our operating system. Let me select Windows and here you will find your download link. Here simply download x64 installer file, which is around 153 MB. So let me click on this link and it will download an installer file. So let me complete the download process. The download has been completed. Now simply open this installer file. So here we have our Java SE development kit installer window. Let me minimize this window. Here simply click on next. Here simply click on next. And here you can see it is installing Java JDK on our Windows 11. So our installation process has been successfully completed. Now simply close this window. After installing Java JDK on your Windows 11, you have to set up the environment variable. To set up your environment variable, simply open your C drive and visit programs file and look for a folder name called Java. Simply open this Java folder. Inside this Java folder, you will find JDK folder. Simply open the JDK folder and look for bin folder. Simply open this bin folder and now copy this bin folder location. After that, simply visit settings, then click on system and here look for about option. Simply click on about and here simply click on advanced system settings and it will open system property window. Here simply click on environment variables and here under system variable select path variable, then click on edit and here click on new and paste the path. So here we have our Java JDK path. Simply click on OK. Here click on OK and now click on OK to save the changes. Now to check whether your Java JDK is successfully set up on your Windows 11 or not, simply open CMD and here simply run few commands. First one is Java space hyphen version, then hit enter. If you find Java version and Java SE environment build number, that means Java is successfully installed on your Windows 11. Now to check whether Java compiler is working or not, simply write Java C. Java C is a compiler that compiles Java code. If you find bunch of statement, that means Java C is successfully set up on your Windows 11. Now we have Java installed on our Windows 11. Now it's time to install Eclipse IDE. For that, open your browser and visit eclipse.org/downloads. Don't worry, I'll also put this link in the description box. Here you can see the latest version of Eclipse IDE is 2022-06. Now to download this, simply click on this download button. Now here click on this download link and it will download the Eclipse installer file, which is around 114 MB. So let me complete the download process. Our download has been completed. Now simply open this installer file. So here we have our Eclipse installer. Let me minimize the browser. Now here simply click on this menu option and simply update this Eclipse installer. Here you can see progress information and it is downloading the latest version of Eclipse installer on your Windows 11. After it get updated, it will automatically restart your Eclipse installer. Now to install Eclipse IDE for Java development, simply click on Eclipse IDE for Java developer option. And here simply select your product version. So we want to install Eclipse IDE 2022-06 version. And here we have our Java JDK installation location and the installation folder where Eclipse IDE is going to install. If you want to create Start Menu Entry and Desktop Shortcut, simply check these boxes and click on Install. Here you can see it is installing Eclipse IDE. So the installation process will take some time. Wait until the installation process completes. The installation process has been successfully completed. Now here simply click on this launch button. Now here simply select your workspace location. For that simply click on this browse button and you can browse your location. But for now I'm just going to keep it default. Now here simply click on launch. So here we have our Eclipse IDE. Now you can use this Eclipse IDE to create your Java program. I already have one test.java file, that's why I'm getting this kind of interface. If you install Eclipse IDE for first time, you will get different interface. Let me guide you how you can create your first Java project on Eclipse IDE. For that simply click on File option, then click on New. Here simply click on Java project. And here name your project. Let me name it as Demo, and here you will find the option to create module info.java file. If you want to create this file, you can simply check this box and click on Next. But for now, I'm just going to uncheck this box. Then click on Next, and here you will find your project hierarchy. Inside this source folder, all your source code will be saved. Now to save this project, simply click on Finish button. So here we have our demo project. Now to create Java class file, simply click on this arrow icon. Here simply select source folder, right click on it. Here click on New, and here simply select class. And here name your class. Say for example demo. Here simply select modifier as public, and here you have to select your method, that is public static void main string argument. Then click on Finish. This will create your demo class Java file. Now let me show you how you can print hello world using Java. Here you have to write system.out.println, and inside this parenthesis you have to write a statement. Now to save this file, simply click on File, then click on Save All. Now to run your Java program, simply click on Run from the tab, and here select Run option, or else you can also use Ctrl F11. Now here on console, here we have hello world. Similarly, you can print different statement. Say for example, welcome to the coder world. Now simply save this file, then click on Run option, and here on console we have welcome to the coder world. If you want to learn Java programming, so we already have a Java tutorial beginner playlist. I'll put the playlist link in the description box, or you will get in the I button. So that's it. This is how you can install Eclipse IDE 2022-06 on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.